In today's video, I'm going to show you how to measure distance between 2 points in Google Maps. First, open Google Maps on your computer or phone and find your starting location. Next, right-click on the starting point on the map or press and hold on mobile. Then select Measure Distance. Now move the map and click or tap on your destination point to place a second marker. Google Maps will automatically calculate and display the straight line distance between the 2 points. You can continue adding more points to measure longer routes or irregular paths by clicking additional locations on the map. This is especially useful when planning walks, runs, or checking distances without using full navigation routes. If you make a mistake, you can undo the last point or clear all measurements to start over. And that's it. You've successfully measured distance between 2 points in Google Maps. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.